Hey guys, how are you doing? Actually, there's something that you see. I want to show you something very cool. I have actually purchased something and I don't have the cash with me, so I want to show you something here. So I have money on FX as you can see here, but see now, so I want to withdraw this money so that I can pay for whatever I've ordered. Okay, I can actually do something that is very quick. You can see now I have received my money around here. It's very fast. Okay, yeah. All right. Poa sana. Sijui kuja huko ndani.
So here we must make sure that everything is set. So huyu ndio mtu alikuwa ameniletea, this person who did the delivery. So I have to make sure that before I pay, everything is intact. I make sure that everything is actually intact. The keyboard is working, the keys are very okay before I proceed to buy and pay. So that is a method that I actually recommend everyone to do. Like whenever you buy anything online, make sure that it's delivered and you have a chance to taste. So this is ground floor. I'll make sure that I taste before I do anything to pay, because this is actually a lot of money. So there are a lot of things that came with this keyboard that I made ensuring that it come with so a full package. So first of all, we have this keyboard stand. It's very amazing because I think it's very strong. At first I actually struggled a lot how to assemble this keyboard stand. Ilinipea shida nakwambia. Where? Yeah, but finally I just managed to do everything. Yeah, we have these things, everything. Actually, this is how it comes. I was actually told this is the best we have. I think there's another one, but I think this works so well because it can support a very heavy keyboard. This keyboard is so heavy, as you can tell. Now after assembling, this is how now the stands look like. Very amazing. So this stand costed me around 3,000, but someone told me it normally cost 3,500. Someone, the one who was selling it to me, just sold me at 3,000. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, the keyboard is here very set, and then I'll be using this one of the dining chairs. It's amazing. You know, I have like my dining chair actually is at 6 feet and I don't know where to take them. So it came with this pendle. This is a stand pendle. It's very amazing. So I think this costed me around 2,500. Yeah, 2,500 to get that pedal. And also this USB, it has 16. These were maybe I can save my work and everything all about the piano because it has the USB port. And the last one of course is the charger. So we also have this cable that is can take this to the audio interface or the mixer, and we have this charger as well. So I ensured that this keyboard is complete and everything is actually complete here. So I have to test again and see how everything is running, and before that I actually have to make sure I pray for this piano that it serves me well. You know, worship is everything to me, so I make sure that I pray for this keyboard that it didn't get disconnected from the places where it was bought, and it serves me well to worship the Lord in a very higher note and to take worship in my house. So that is it. This is now the new machines look so nice. Thank you so much for watching.